So now that the door is hung, we're going to just fit the door stops and the liner. The liner is required because this is a 5¼ inch wall. Door stops and the liner are in the pack and they're fully primed. The only thing I had to do was I need to cut the head of the door stop and the head of the liner just to make them fit, because they do come for a 34-inch door and we're fitting a 32-inch door. So now I'm going to fit the liner. So the liner comes in the pack again like the door stop. The only thing I have to do with the liner is cut the head, okay? Because the head, again, is for a 34-inch door and this is a 32-inch door. So I'm going to keep the liner flush with the back of the frame, okay? That allows me to have my 1/4 inch margin down the side, okay? And then I'm going to nail my architrave on flush with my liner. So you don't really see the liner, it looks like a slight extension, okay? So I'm going to show you how that is. So we go with the head first. So it's the long side out, flush with the back of the frame, okay? That's now flush with my slab, okay? So I'm going to bang a nail on that. Go to the other side, nail. Okay, now I'm going to take my sides. Again, flush with the back of the frame. And again, you'd be using glue on this. This and your door stop should be using glue. Flush with the back of the frame again. So I can keep my margin even the whole way down. Okay. And again, flush with the back of the frame. My 1/4 inch margin the whole way down the side. So now that I've nailed on all my liners, I'm just going to put the architrave on. The architrave isn't part of the pack, but I just wanted to show you how the architrave works with the liner. So I pre-cut my architrave already, so I'm just going to put a bit of glue on the miter. And it's not open. Just going to put a bit of glue on the miter. So I hold the liner flush. I hold the architrave flush with my liner because I already have my 1/4 inch gap here. Okay, nail it on. And that's how you fit a ready door from start to finish in record time. And that is how you use the liner on the ready door with the architrave to make it fully adjustable for a 3-inch, 4-inch timber stud or a 4-inch block wall. So that's how you hang a ready door. I'm Mark from Ready Door. Thanks very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're on all social media outlets, so tune in and watch any videos. Thanks, goodbye.